This is a regular kitchen cabinet. Let me show you how we add the lighting. We add the lighting and under the countertop, the glass shelf and the top kit. And top kit have both sides, this side and this side. And you use one switch to control. Let me show you. You see, one switch, one turn on. All the lights under the countertop, the shelf, the top kit have both sides, the left side, the right side, and also another under countertop light. Here they all control at the same time. One switch, controlled by one switch off. See, both sides.
See if we have what we
Yes.
call a door.
Also can dim, become brighter, dim. You can see that this size and this size is too far, so we use two set power supplies like this. The right side have one power supply and this side one power supply, but one switch to control both sides. You pair to each first and pair to the second one. So one switch control all. And also we add some lighting for bed cabinet. You see, it's a door controlled. There's also, you see, lighting here, 1, 2, and a switch here is a door control switch. See the switch here, off. Turn on. Okay. Also like this. This is a wired sensor switch. There's a wired switch here, and we install the one light here. So you see, the inside is very clear. When you want to take out something, it's very clear. And also the drawer light. It's the same. Here have a sensor switch. And all this drawer light, and also this area, drawer light, yes. And also the under cabinet light. So with under cabinet light, here's a handway switch off. Turn on. It's a regular cabinet, and also here the lighting inside for shelf. You can see upside and downside lighting. It's a solution for this set kitchen.